Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss about the endocrine system. Endocrine is a Greek word. Endon means within and krinein means to set apart. The endocrine gland system consists of a number of ductless glands which manufacture certain chemical substances that take an essential part in the life process of the body. In 1905, the word hormone was coined for such substances which circulate in the blood and bring about an effect on a distal organ. The word hastened more recently to be restricted to the substances produced by endocrine glands. The glands of the body may be divided into those with an internal secretion, that is endocrine glands, and those with an external secretion, that is exocrine glands. Example of exocrine glands are sweat, lacrimal and mammary glands, which pass their secretion through ducts to the external surface of the body, as well as the glands of the mouth, stomach and intestine, whose secretions are passed through ducts into the alimentary canal. On the other hand, the secretion of endocrine glands do not passes any duct or opening to the exterior surface of the body. Endocrine glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal cortex gland, ovary, testis, islets of Langerhans, placenta during pregnancy, and glands with probable endocrine functions, that is thymus gland and pineal body. Hormone: a substance that is produced in one part of the body passes into the bloodstream and is carried to the distal organs or tissues where it acts to modify their structure or function. Example of hormones are corticosteroids from adrenal cortex gland, growth hormones from pituitary gland, androgens from testis. Pituitary gland: in the 16th century, Vesalius named the gland pituitary, which filtered and collected wastes from the brain, and these lubricated the nasal and pharyngeal passages. When the true functions of the gland was established, the term hypophysis was substituted, but the gland is still often called the pituitary. The pituitary gland is a reddish grey, small, oval-shaped structure situated at the base of the brain. Average weight in adults is 0.5 to 0.6 gram. The weight varies with age, sex and physiological state. The pituitary gland secretes several hormones, especially growth hormones. Thyroid gland: thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH secreted by basophil cells. TSH control the growth and activity of the thyroid gland. Primary physiologic action of TSH is probably to stimulate the release of thyroid hormone from the intrafollicular thyroglobulin. Thyroid gland is a large endocrine gland situated in the base of the neck. It consists of two lobes, one on either side of trachea. The thyroid gland is concerned with regulation of the metabolic rate by the secretion of thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is an iodine containing substance. There are two thyroid hormones, one triiodothyronine or T3 and thyroxine or T4. Lack of these hormones give rise to cretinism in infants and myxedema in adults. Excess production of thyroid hormone give rise to thyrotoxicosis, causing a rapid heartbeat, sweating, tremor, anxiety, increase in appetite, loss of weight and intolerance of heat. Parathyroid gland: parathyroid glands are of two pairs of yellowish brown endocrine glands that are situated behind or sometimes embedded within the thyroid gland. They are stimulated to produce parathyroid hormone by a decrease in the amount of calcium in the blood. They controls the distribution of calcium and phosphate in the body. Adrenal gland. These are two triangular endocrine glands, each of which covers the superior surface of a kidney. Each gland has two parts, the medulla and the cortex. The medulla forms the grey core of the gland. It consists mainly of chromatin tissue and is stimulated by the sympathetic nervous system to produce epinephrine and norepinephrine. The cortex is a yellowish tissue surrounding the medulla. This gland produces three kinds of corticosteroid hormones which affect carbohydrate metabolism, electrolyte metabolism, and the sex glands. This hormone is used in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Ovary. Estrogen is one of the female sex hormone produced by ovaries. It is a steroid hormone that controls female sexual development, promoting the growth and function of female sex organs, that is, menstrual cycle, lactation from mammary glands, etc., and female sexual secondary characteristics such as breast development, pubic hair, etc. Estrogen is mainly synthesized by the ovary, small amount produced by the adrenal cortex gland, testes, and placenta. Excessive production of estrogen in male give rise to feminization. Naturally occurring and synthetic estrogen given by mouth or injection are used to treat amenorrhea, menopausal disorders, androgen dependent cancer, and to inhibit lactation. Synthetic estrogen is a major constituent of oral contraceptives. Side effects of estrogen therapy are nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, irregular vaginal bleeding, and feminization in male. Testis. Androgen is the male sex hormone produced by the testis. It is one of the steroid hormones that stimulate the development of male sexual secondary characteristics such as deepening of voice, beard growth, muscular development, pubic hair, etc. The principal source of these hormones is testis, but they are also secreted by the adrenal cortex and ovaries in small amount. Excessive production in female give rise to masculinization. Naturally occurring and synthetic androgen is used in replacement therapy as anabolic agent to treat such conditions as delayed puberty period in boys, hypogonadism and impotence due to testicular insufficiency, and the treatment of breast cancer. Side effects include salt and water retention, increased bone growth, and masculinization in female. Androgen should not be used in patient with cancer of the prostate gland or in pregnant woman. Islets of Langerhans. These are small group of cells scattered through the material of the exocrine gland pancreas that secrete hormones, insulin and glucagon. There are three main types of cells in islets of Langerhans. Alpha cells secrete glucagon hormone, beta cells secrete insulin hormone, delta cells secrete somatostatin hormone. Basically, islets of Langerhans are endocrine glands embedded in exocrine gland pancreas. Placenta. It is an organ within the uterus by means of which the embryo is attached to the wall of the uterus. Its primary function is to provide the embryo with nourishment, eliminates its waste, and exchange of respiratory gases. This is accomplished by the close proximity of the maternal and fetal blood system within the placenta. The placenta, umbilical cord, and ruptured membrane associated with the fetus, which normally become detached from the womb and expelled within a few hours of childbirth. It also functions as an endocrine gland secreting chronic gonadotropin, progesterone, and estrogen hormone, which regulate the maintenance of pregnancy. During pregnancy, although breasts are fully developed, yet lactation does not occur. It starts after parturition and expulsion of placenta. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.